The people of Tibet come from many different backgrounds, and it's definitely reflected on the country's cuisine. Portland not only allows you to experience this cuisine, but you can also have it vegan. Just crossing over the St. John's Bridge in Portland, you will come across a food pod with a bright orange truck that offers Tibetan food that you won't want to miss. So I've just arrived at the St. John's Food Cart Pod here in Portland, and I'm about to meet up with Tashi, owner of Little Tibet PDX, to learn about the flavors of Tibetan food and why they decided to offer some vegan options. Portland, Oregon is one of the top vegan cities in the US, and the food has never been so diverse. I'm Eunice from RATEDV, and I've teamed up with Country Life Natural Foods to learn how 7 amazing foodpreneurs in Portland, Oregon have transformed simple vegan ingredients into amazing dishes. Let's go. Hi, Tashi.
Hi, Eunice. How are you?
Good. How are you this morning?
Good.
I'm super excited to try all your food and feast.
I'm super excited
I'm ready.
too. Yeah.
All right, I guess let's get started.
Okay, nice.
So, Tashi, tell me, why did you decide to open up this food truck, and why did you decide to offer vegan options?
I've been dreaming about it, like opening a restaurant, like since I came here to the United States. I moved here like from Santa Fe. Then where I work closed down.
Right.
Like the Whole Foods in Vancouver, it like permanently closed down. So it's a perfect time to open my own food truck or like whatever,
I noticed that you have a lot of Tibetan food because your parents are from Tibet, that's your background. So why vegan options?
Like there's so many vegan lovers in Portland, like it's a big vegan community in Portland. And like we came up with a traditional to the vegan option. For example, like Momo, Momo is a traditional Tibetan food.
I love that that's what you wanted to do, that you wanted to share the Tibetan culture and share with the vegan culture, because sometimes people are like, oh, this isn't normally vegan, so we're just not gonna let you have it.
Right.
Or is vegan food pretty common in Tibet? Can you find it?
No, like in Tibet, like the people, they used to eat like yak meat, butter, high fiber things like a barley. Yeah, because it's a high altitude.
So
like cold. And now like the weather is changing, like because of the climate change. Like and also the influences from the neighboring countries like India, Nepal. They've been like eating like different kind of foods. So that's why I have Indian on my food truck menu.
Because you have that influence too.
My momos, like there's a touch of Indian flavor.
I
like Tibetan with the Indian.
Well, because it's the neighboring countries, so that makes sense. I love that. That's actually my favorite thing about certain foods, when they get influence from neighboring countries. So it kind of becomes its own flavor, right? So I think it's great. So on that note, let's get started to try this food. Okay, so Tashi, you brought me a feast. I am beyond excited. Everything here looks amazing. Can you explain a little bit what everything is?
So this is vegan Momo. From the day it was a holy month, like Tibetan holy month, like Buddhist holy month, I mean. We normally don't eat meat. So like we need substitutes. So like we start using the Beyond Meat.
During the Tibetan holy month, it's normal for people not to eat meat during that month.
The whole month.
Oh, okay, look at that.
Like
so
some people like they stop eating meat until the full moon, like the 15th of the month. But like some people they stop eating.
Just stop eating it. Okay, so it is a tradition for people to kind of abstain eating meat for a while. So people look for different options or create different vegan options. Okay, and so then we have 2 different kinds of momos. We have the steamed and we have
the steamed
fried.
and the fried. But the ingredients are same. We use like Beyond Meat, cabbage, potato, carrots, onions, cilantro, scallions, and garlic. I
heard that momos aren't typically eaten every day. They're usually special occasion food, right?
Like in like India, Nepal, and the Tibet, like it's a festival food.
I'm gonna try. You know what? I'm gonna try a fried momo because I've never actually tried a fried momo before. I've always had them steamed. And then I'm gonna dip it into this spicy sauce. Guys, this is crisp to perfection. You can actually see it.
How's the texture?
The flavor is amazing. I have sauce on my face because I'm enjoying it a lot. That spicy sauce is perfect. This dish right here. I've had it before. Tell me a bit about this chowmein.
So chowmein, we eat like occasionally, like we don't eat like every day.
Yeah.
We need like a really hot wok. Yeah, to make the chowmein.
Yeah, because I saw you in action back
Yeah.
there, and I was like, oh, that's a serious
Yeah,
chowmein.
that's the main secret.
Yeah, it's the cook behind the chowmein that makes it good.
Yeah.
Just so you guys know. Oh my god, you guys, these noodles, the color, it's like a perfect char. The texture of the noodles is perfect. The flavor literally sticks to every noodle. That is my favorite thing. Like, oh, it's so good. Like, so you're gonna get flavor in every single bite. The perfect like cooked noodles. Like, I don't know. It's just delicious, and I love it. So well done on that as well.
Thank you.
And yes, guys, there's tofu in here, so you get your little protein in here too. Okay, and then we have these buns.
Steam buns.
That are traditional in Tibet and are traditionally vegan.
Yeah, steam buns like we eat with like different curry or
spicy sauce, right?
Yeah, spicy sauce.
I'm gonna try it with some chili oil because that's how you eat it, right?
Yeah, chili sauce.
Everything with chili sauce, you guys. Everything. The layering on this is beautiful, and I love the yellow. With turmeric, so you can see all the pretty colors. And then the curries.
And then curries are like it's like the same like an Indian curry, but like we made it with tofu, so it's like stays like vegan.
I like how you've adapted it, like you mentioned earlier. You're adapting the traditional dishes, but making them vegan and just substituting the protein, so that people can still enjoy the flavors. They just don't have to eat the meat.
Mint.
Yes.
There's a mint in
mint in there. Even though, I mean, it's spicy, right?
Yeah.
It's super spicy because Tibetan food is spicy.
Yeah, we eat lots of spice. Yeah.
Yes. So if you like spicy food, you will love all of this.
Yep.
Okay. Spicy tofu curries. Is it the same sauce or different?
Different.
It's not as spicy, but it's still really good. So last but not least, we're gonna try the vegan curry, right?
Yeah.
You can taste like the Indian influence in the spices.
Yeah.
That is so good, so comforting. If you love curry bowls and rice bowls,
spicy bowls.
You're gonna love this, spicy bowls. So Taji, what is it that you want customers to experience when they eat your food?
I want them to taste like the real like a Tibetan flavor, like a Tibetan food with influence with the neighboring countries like flavor. Yeah. So yeah, and then I want them to be happy.
Yeah, of course. I'm happy. So thank you so much for allowing me to try this. And if you're in Portland, Tibetan food, holiday food, come try it here at Little Tibet. So as you can see, spices and seasonings is what really sets Tibetan food apart. And if you want to add some spice to your life and check out some vegan recipes, you can hop over to countrylifefoods.recipes and try them out for yourself at home. Catch you next time on Rated V.